AnyMaint, a modern maintenance management platform built for busy industrial teams. It delivers full enterprise maintenance functionality, work orders, preventive maintenance, asset tracking, reporting, and mobile access. Built-in AI supports smarter decision-making and operational insight, all within an interface built for real-world use. Technicians scan a QR code and report issues in seconds, add a photo or voice note, and move on with their work. No complex forms, no unnecessary steps. Updates sync instantly, giving managers real-time visibility of tasks, risks, and priorities across assets and sites. AnyMaint is fully multilingual, so employees report issues and receive updates in their own language. Built-in AI enhances the system by turning experience into shared knowledge, suggesting proven fixes, and supporting smarter decisions, while keeping control in human hands. The result? Higher adoption, better preventive execution, and up to 70% less unplanned downtime. AnyMaint connects teams, equipment, and events in one shared operational picture. AnyMaint, Actionable AI, your maintenance co-pilot.